Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to tag people in photos that you have already uploaded to Instagram. So let's begin. First, open up your Instagram app. Once you have it open, you should take it to your home page like this. Now look on the bottom right hand corner. Do you see your profile picture or some kind of profile picture mannequin? If you click whatever icon is over here, usually it's your profile picture if you have set it up. So I'll click on the icon. This takes me to my profile picture. Now, find the picture that you would like to tag these people into, and I'll click on this picture over here. All right, and this is the picture that I would like to tag somebody into. And if you see on the upper right hand corner, do you see these three dots? Tap on those. Okay, that menu appears. Once this menu appears, look on the bottom over here. Do you see where it says edit? Tap on that. Okay, and then on the bottom again over here, where it says tag people, click on that. And then you can tap anywhere on the screen to tag a person. Okay, so I'll click over anywhere and you'll give me a search where I can search for the people that I would like to tag. So say if I tag like right here, and it gives me this menu, and I can start searching for the people that I would like to tag. And as I'm typing their name, they should appear, and this is the person that I would like to tag on the very top. And I'll click and select them, and there you go, I've tagged them. Now, don't forget, if you look on the upper right hand corner, make sure you click done. And another thing, if you want to remove them, just tap the name again and you can click on the X and that removes them. And to tag them again, just do the same thing and that tags them. Once you have done all of this, make sure you save your changes, and you do that by looking on the upper right hand corner. Do you see where it says done? Click on that and then click done twice and then another time. All right, now all your changes have been saved, okay? That's how you can tag people in photos you have already uploaded on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.